Today I'm going to explain about how to schedule a talent job in Talent Administrator Center. So, yeah, like you just need to select the corresponding talent job which you need to schedule in Talent Administrator Center. And once you select it, you will be seeing multiple tabs in the bottom of the screen. Like the last tab is triggers. So once you click on the triggers, you will be having multiple options like creating a simple trigger and creating a cron trigger. So I'm talking about the cron trigger now here. So I'm taking some examples to tell you about that. So the first example is firing that cron trigger at 10:15 a.m. on every day of every month during the years from 2002 to 2005. So for that, you just need to label the first parameter. This can be given as a unique name. It can be some unique name. And then the time zone, it can be given as job server time zone or else the local time zone. And then the others are minutes, hours, as we need to schedule it at 10:15. 15 is the minutes you'll be giving over here, and hours you'll be giving it as 10. And others, you can just put star. You just need to put star when every keyword comes over there, like every day, every hour, every minute, something like that. Every wherever every comes. Here we told it as every month. So months will be having star over here, and the corresponding days of the month also will become star. So since months and days are already given as star, you don't need to provide anything related to week. And then years, it is we need to give the range like 2002 till 2005. So whenever there is a range in years or any other even in months or everywhere, whenever there is a range, you just need to provide hyphen between the starting and the ending corresponding year or month or day or whatever it is. So here it is years. So 2002 hyphen 2005. That is the one which you need to give here. And pass trigger on error. This one, if you select it, that does mean like whenever an error occurs on the Talend job, the corresponding trigger will get passed on its own. So next time it won't get triggered, we need to enable it manually. Now coming to the second example, that is firing the cron trigger at 12 p.m. every day. So again you see every day. So every means we need to put a star. So here days of the month, it will be star because every day, and then months also will be putting a star. Since months and days are all stars, we don't need to put anything related to days of the weeks. And even years, they haven't mentioned anything related to years, so it needs to be run for every year. So that's why we need to put star over here. And coming to the months and hours, sorry, minutes and hours, it is 12 p.m. So hours will be 12 and minutes will be 0. And past figure, as I have told you already. And label, you can give unique name, and time zone, it can be job server zone or local time zone. And the last one is last example is fire the cron trigger at 11:55 p.m. every weekday, like Monday, Tuesday till Friday. So the label, we can give it anything as a unique name. And time zone, as I said earlier, it can be job server time zone or local time zone. Coming to the minutes and hours, it is 11:55. So 11 p.m. it is. So that's why in the hours you'll be giving as 23, and minutes it will be giving as 55. And here months, you can give it as star, and days of the week. Since it is they mentioned the days every weekday, so that's why MON hyphen FRI. That does mean like between these Monday and Friday, every day will be triggered, and it won't get triggered for Sunday and Saturday because they don't want that to trigger on Saturday and Sunday. So MON hyphen FRI, that is the range over here which will be providing. And then years, they haven't mentioned any year, so it should be every year. So that's why you can keep it as star. That's it. Okay, thank you guys.